How to do communicating in Universell is simple and efficient, bringing all your interactions into one place. First, log in to your Universell dashboard. From the left-hand side, go to Customer CRM and click on Communication. Let's start with calls. Here, you'll see a complete dashboard showing total calls, missed calls, average call duration, and completion rate. You can view call history, enable call forwarding, and even create call scripts for better conversations. To make a call, click on New Call, select a contact, and start calling instantly. Or you can quickly access it by clicking the telephone icon under your profile. In the voicemail section, you can create and send voicemails by adding contact details and saving them for future use. Moving to SMS, you'll find an overview of your available credits, add-on credits, and delivery rate. You can send individual messages, run bulk campaigns, purchase additional numbers, and buy more SMS credits. You can also view message history and set up campaigns easily. In the email section, click on Compose to send emails or schedule them for later. You can also connect your email provider like Gmail, Outlook, or GoDaddy to manage everything directly from the dashboard. For internal communication, use team messaging. Send messages instantly to your team members with just a few clicks. Create groups to collaborate with specific teams or departments. Reply to messages, keep conversations organized, and easily follow message threads so nothing gets missed. It's fast, organized, and designed to keep your team connected in real time. In the Contacts section, you can view and manage all your saved contacts and use them for calls, SMS, or emails. And that's how communication works in Universell. Simple, organized, and all in one place.